Oh, you got it. Just rips. I would get in so much trouble if I had this thing.
Yeah, it's hard not to sometimes.
Oh my god. I want to see 300.
I don't know about that.
How fast have you gone in this thing?
I don't go over 200.
Yeah.
It gets there really quickly and I just don't feel the need to go any faster.
Yeah.
I put up the work van today and spent like $90 for 50 liters. It's
Isn't
like,
that crazy?
Oh, it's 87. Why is it so expensive?
Like, what is this, BC?
Oh, I know. It feels like we're in BC.
I may as well stop this. We'll check in when we get to Castrol here. All right, well, I forgot to say what's going on. Today is a drift day at Castrol.
Yes, sir.
Now, of course, my BMW has a blown axle.
Rip.
So we're just watching today. Jared invited us out. I didn't even know they're open. They keep opening, closing, opening, closing. I never know what's going on. I don't have social media. I have friends that always tell me when car meets are and everything, so.
I just have to phone his house and let him know what's going on.
Yep.
Yep.
He's gonna paper cut me. I dare to launch it up
No, let's not do that.
Of course, the Corvette stops when I pull the camera out.
That's what I'm talking about, YouTube. What I'm here to see. God damn.
I think he's trying to reverse engine.
I think he's just ripping it.
Every lap, Malcolm keeps saying, bet you wish you brought your car here. Bet you want to fix your axle on your BMW now.
I don't know what else is going to motivate you to do that. So.
And I do, and I will now. Because
it's time, my boy.
This guy right here wants to be right over there, coming out the, well, right over there, coming out the gate. Guy knows how to get down. Okay, the time has come for us to leave. And Malcolm's leaving too.
We're out of here.
Malcolm's gonna do a big donut in the grass here, he said.
They might get mad if I did that. However,
but that's
I am
okay.
tempted.
Because Squatro.
It does squat pretty good.
Do you squat? That was the real question. Let's see your squat form. There we go.
It's all about the form. Look at that thing.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. I don't think I have anything else to say. Malcolm?
No, that was good. I'm sure we'll be back.
Sarah?
Watch your samosa.
Oh, perfect. That's the best thing to say. What do you say?